Hello and very warm welcome to the channel. If you have been following my channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of diverse multilingual models. That is why I'm so excited to share with you this new model called as Meltemi 7 billion parameter model, which is proficient in Greek language. Greek is the national language of Greece and one of the most beautiful languages in Europe. So in this video, we are going to install this Meltemi model locally and then we will play around with it in the context of Greek language and then Greek culture and all those nuances. Also, a fun fact, Meltemi is a Greek word that refers to a type of strong, dry and refreshing northerly wind that blows in the Aegean Sea and the eastern Mediterranean during the winter months. It is often associated with clear skies and a cooling effect providing relief from the heat. So I'm more than sure it's a big thing. That is why the creators have named it Meltemi. Okay, so now let's go to some of the technical details of this model, which looks really cool. This is the first open large language model for the Greek language. It has 7 billion parameters and is trained on a 40 billion token Greek corpus. Also, for the development of Meltemi 7 billion, they adapted Mistral by continuously pre training on the Greek corpus. Meltemi 7 billion contains up to date information up to September 2023, so that is the cutoff date. They have also translated and curated a Greek instruction corpus, which has been used for the instruction tuning of a chat model named Meltemi 7 billion Instruct. Also, they have taken special care in alignment and the removal of toxic content for the Meltemi 7 billion, and they have evaluated it on a broad set of collected evaluation corpora, and also they have given some of the examples in their model card of Meltemi models, and I will share the link in video's description. So that is a short intro. Now let's go to my local terminal and then we will start installing it. Before that, let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. So this is my Ubuntu terminal and I have one GPU card of 48 GB VRAM and I'm going to install the full model. Okay, let's clear the screen. And by the way, if you don't have that much VRAM, you can also go with the Contest GGUF format in LM Studio or locally if you want to do that. Or any llama.cpp enabled tool should be suffice to run that GGUF format. But let's create a Conda environment here, which is going to create a virtual environment and that is going to keep everything nice and tidy. Let's install some of the prerequisites, which include torch, and I'm also upgrading the transformers. This is going to take a minute. So let's wait for it to finish. Prerequisites are done. Now let's install and launch our Jupyter notebook and we will be playing around with the model after downloading it in the notebook, and it is going to launch it in the browser. So my notebook is launched. Let's import the libraries which we have installed and also download the model. As you can see, Meltemi 7 billion Instruct with its tokenizers. And it has started downloading it. And it seems there are two shards. Doesn't seem too big. I think should be around under 20 gigs. So let's wait for it to get installed. So the model is downloaded. As you can see, there are two shards around, I would say 15 gig of size with the tokenizer. And then we have put it onto the CUDA and it is showing you the architecture that it is based on Mistral. As you can see, these are the layers and also it is telling us QProj and all that KV and all that stuff. So looks good. And this is a head. Okay, now let's try to do the inference with it. So what I'm going to do, use this message, which is a system message and a user message first. So I already have copied it and then I have went into Google Translate. I pasted there and it says, you are Meltemi, a language model for Greek language. You are particularly helpful to the user and give short but sufficiently comprehensive answers. Respond with care, courtesy, impartiality, honesty, and respect. Looks really good. Okay, let's go back, and then if we check out what exactly user is asking, let me copy it from here and then go to Google Translate and then paste it here. It says, tell me if you are conscious. So let me specify this template, and it is going to convert it into ChatML template behind the scene, it seems. And this is where it gets translated to ChatML when we apply that chat template to tokenizer. And then I'm just converting that text to the tokens. We are passing it through to the model. Model is generating the output. We have kept the output tokens to 256 while keeping the sampling to true. And then we are using tokenizer to decode it back to the text, the generated response tokens from the model. So let me run it. And the model has come back with the response. Let me take you to Google Translate. So the question was, tell me if you are conscious. Let me remove it. Let me paste it here. It says that no, I can't have consciousness, but I can create language for you. Looks cool. Okay, that is fine. Let's try it out on some of the Greek cultural nuances and languages. And by the way, I'm not Greek at all. I'm just using some of my some of the models to generate some of the prompts. So if I get something wrong, please don't get offended or anything. Feel free to correct me in the comments. And also, I would very be grateful if you're from Greek origin and you could tell us that the responses which I am printing and doing, if the model is good enough for you or not. Okay, next up in this new prompt, what I'm saying or asking the model is that what is the tradition of this Nom Day in Greece? Let me run it and see what it says, and then I will translate it. And then this is done. Let me also run it. And look at the comprehensive response by the model. How beautiful this script of Greek is, by the way. Anyway, so let me paste it Google Translate. And it is saying the nomenclature custom in Greece is also known as Saint's Feast or Saint's Feast. It refers to the feast of saint on the days that bear the saint's name. In Greece, this custom begins on first day of New Year. Okay, interesting. Okay, so now let's try out another one. Okay, in the next one, which I have pasted, what it means is that what is Philotimos in and why is it important to Greeks? Let's see what exactly that is. I have no idea, so I'm just going to run it and check if model tells me about it or not. And there you go. So model has printed some response. Let's check the Google Translate. And it says Philotimos is a Greek word that can be translated as philanthropy, okay, and hospitality. In Greek culture, it is deeply rooted value and has played an important role in promoting social cohesion and solidarity among people. The concept of honor is important because it helps build and maintain strong interpersonal relationship. Looks really good. So you can see that quality of model is really quite cool, and it is grounded in Greek language, Greek culture. Very good to see. Amazing model. Let me know what do you think. Especially if you're Greek, please share your opinion. I'm sure you must be happy about this model because it's the first open source language model in Greek. And I wish to see models from all over the globe in every language, whether national, regional, or whatever. It will be really cool. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, especially in Greece. It will be awesome. Thanks for watching.